So friends, good morning and welcome to the session. My name is Abhishek and today we are going to discuss the topic combination arrangement. So friends, this is an advanced topic of sitting arrangement and this is the topic where circular sitting arrangement and blood ration is used. So this is my suggestion that before this topic, you must have gone through the topics circular sitting arrangement and as well as your blood relation. So I'm starting with the question, like how the question will be. The question will be something like combination arrangement sheet name. The question is direction 1 to 5. Study the following information carefully and answer the given questions. 8 family members A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are sitting around a circular table. So friends, I have drawn a circular table and just making it 8 equal parts facing the center but not necessarily in the same order. F, the wife of D, is sitting third to the right of C. So friends, we can write it as F is the wife of D. As a wife, F will be female and D will be male. And F is third to the right of C. Thereafter, A, the son of H. So we can write it as H and A is the son of H. As a son, A will be male. A is sitting second to the left of D. D is not an immediate number of either F or C. So the only place where I can put D will be this, and A is sitting second to the left of D. That means A must be here. Thereafter, no male is an immediate neighbor of D. That means this should be female and this should be female. Thereafter, G sits second to the left of D son. So friends, I cannot place G here at this point because G's son cannot be here. I can place G here, and if G is here, G sits second to the left of D son. That means here at this point I can place D son. Thereafter, only two people sit between H and A's brother, so I can place H here, and A's brother can be either C or the person right to the F, right? So if we read the next point, neither C nor D is the brother of A. That means A's brother will be here, right? Thereafter, D's son and the wife of D's son are immediate neighbor of each other. So D's son is this. So C will be wife of D's son. Thereafter, F is the mother of H. So F must be here. As a mother, F will be female. F is not an immediate neighbor of B and G. So F is not an immediate neighbor of B and G. That means B must be here. And the place and the person that is remaining is E. So that means E will definitely be here. We have the spouse of F. So we can combine here like D, and D will be female. We have the gender of H, so we can write as female. Thereafter, B is D son, so we can write it as B as D son, and as D son, so B will be male. Thereafter, C is the wife of D son, so wife of D son, C, and this will be definitely female. Thereafter, E is A's brother, so I can write it as E as A's brother, and as a brother, E will be male, right? So how many persons I have done with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So friends, only one thing is remaining. So the last point is G is sister of E. So we can write it as G as a female. So friends, I have done with my arrangement. Once done with the arrangement, we can give the answers of the question. Like if we check question number 1 is who amongst The following is D's son. So D's son will be B. So answer will be your fourth option B. Thereafter, who sits second to the left of G? So second to the left of G here is H, and H is not A's brother, G's mother. So answer will be G's mother. Thereafter, question number third. How many people sit between A and his brother? So A and A's brother, only one person. So answer will be 1. Thereafter, question number 4. Who amongst the following sits exactly between H and F? So between H and F, there is only one person, that is A, and A is non-relation is given. So answer will be fifth A. Right? So friends, like this, once you are done with the arrangement, you can give the answers of the question. As I discussed this question, where we had a circular sitting arrangement and associated with the blood creation statements. So we have one more question for you, question number 6 to 10. In this question, you are given with 8 people, right? Their gender, male, female, and their blood ration tree, right? So what you have to do, you have to make the arrangement, and if you have any problem, you can contact me at any point of time, right? I'm coming to the next question. Like the question is question by 11 to 15. The question is, study the following information carefully and answer the given question. Like the question is, Aman, Bantu, Chintu, Deepak, Ishan, Falak, Gaurav, Hemant are sitting around a circular table facing the center. Each one of them has a different profession, with doctor, engineer, architect, teacher, clerk, shopkeeper, businessman, and banker, but not necessarily in the same order. So first of all, we have 8%. Just divide the circle into 8 equal part like this. Thereafter, he is saying that Deepak sits second to the left of Gaurav. So if I place Gaurav here, so Deepak should be here. Deepak sits second to the left of Gaurav. Thereafter, Gaurav is not an immediate neighbor of teacher. So if Gaurav is here, so teacher cannot be here and teacher cannot be here. Thereafter, only two persons sit between Bantu, who is a shopkeeper, and teacher. And Aman sits to the right of teacher. So the only place that is left for this, only one, okay, only one person sit between Bantu, who is a shopkeeper, and teacher. So Bantu we can write like this, and Bantu, profession of Bantu is shopkeeper, so we can write like this, shopkeeper, and teacher, so that means teacher must be here. Only one person sit between Bantu, who the shopkeeper, and teacher. And Aman sits third to the right of teacher, that means Aman must be here, right? Thereafter, the one who is an architect sits third to the right of shopkeeper. So that means shopkeeper is here, that means architect must be here. Right? That thereafter, Hemant sit exactly between architect and engineer. So if architect is here, Hemant must be here and engineer must be here. So Hemant sit exactly between architecture and engineer. Thereafter, Ishan is not an immediate neighbor of Hemant. That means Ishan will definitely be here. And we are done with the teacher, so we are removing this teacher part. Engineer sits third to the right of clerk. So that means clerk must be here. Thereafter, only one person sit between businessman and Falak. So we can write as businessman and Falak. Okay, we have two possibilities. Only one person sit between businessman and Falak. Ishan is neither a businessman nor a doctor. So we can write it as businessman here. And Falak here. Thereafter, Ishan is neither a businessman nor a doctor. So doctor must be D, whoever is this. And the person that is remaining, A, B, C, that means C for Chintu, that is remaining. And if we look at the available profession, so the profession that is remaining is doctor done, engineer done, architect done, teacher done, clerk done, shopkeeper done, businessman done, banker is remaining. So friends, answer will be banker, right? So friends, this is our final arrangement. And once we are done with the arrangement, we can give the answers of the question. Like question number 11, if we look at which of the following is true with respect to the given sitting arrangement. Like Ishan is the immediate neighbor of engineer. So Ishan is not the immediate neighbor of engineer. This is false. Second, Ishan is an architect. Ishan is not an architect. The clerk is an immediate neighbor of banker. So the clerk is an immediate neighbor of banker. This third statement is true. Thereafter, question number 12. The question is like, what is the position of Hemant? So Hemant, what is the profession of Hemant? So Hemant is teacher. So this should be fourth option. Thereafter, what is the position of doctor with respect to banker? So doctor with respect to banker, this should be third to the left. Answer will be second. Thereafter, question number 14. Who sits exactly between the architect and businessman? So architect and businessman, the person who is sitting is a doctor. So answer will be fourth, doctor. So friends, once you are done with the arrangement, you can give the answers of the question, right? I'm coming to the next question. Like the question is question number 16 to 20, right? The question is study the following information carefully and answer the given question. Like Arun, Sujit, Ishan, Champak, Harsh, Kalyan, Raman and Gautam are 8 friends sitting around a circle in one arrangement. So friends, we have 8 person. The first task is to divide the circle into 8 equal parts. So friends, I have divided in one arrangement and in a straight line in another arrangement. So friends, we have to make 2 arrangements in this particular question. While sitting around a circle, they are facing outward. While sitting in a straight line, they all are facing towards north direction, right? Thereafter, one of the immediate neighbor of Gautam in a straight line sits opposite to Gautam in a circle, right? Hertz sits third to the right of Sujit in a circle. So if Sujit is here, so I can write first, second, third. Hertz sits third to the right of Sujit in a circle because they are facing outward. While fourth to the left in a straight line, that means Hertz will be fourth to the left of Sujit in a straight line, right? Thereafter, Kalyan and Ishan are immediate neighbor of Sujit in both the arrangement. That means if Sujit is here, so Kalyan and Ishan can be here, and Kalyan and Ishan can be here. We have 2 possibilities. Thereafter, but Ishan is not an immediate neighbor of Hertz in a circle. So Ishan is not an immediate neighbor of Hertz in a circle. That is correct. Thereafter, Gautam is not an immediate neighbor of Kalyan in both the arrangement. So obviously, if Kalyan is here, Gautam will not be here. Or if Kalyan is here, so Gautam will not be here. So we can check. And before this, Kalyan and Ishan are immediate neighbor of each other in both the arrangement. That means Kalyan here and Ishan here, or Ishan here and Kalyan here. This must be here. Thereafter, uh, Gautam is not an immediate number of Kalyan in both the arrangement. So if Kalyan is here, so Gautam must not be here, or if Kalyan is here, so Gautam must not be here. Right thereafter, Raman sits on the immediate left of Gautam in a circle. So in the circle, we have to make like Raman sits immediate left of Gautam. Right? Raman sits immediate left of Gautam in a circle, but both are not immediate neighbor of each other in a straight line, right? Okay. The number of people sit between Kalyan and Raman are same in both the arrangement. So Kalyan and Raman, if we check Kalyan and Raman in the both the arrangement, so if I place Kalyan here, like Kalyan at this point, so Raman will be here, right? And if I place Kalyan here, so 1, 2, 3 Raman can be here, or 1, 2, 3 can be here. So I can place Kalyan here, right? Kalyan here, Ishan here, and he is saying that the number of person between Kalyan and Raman are same in both the arrangement. That means Kalyan here and Raman can be here. And if I am placing Kalyan here, so Kalyan and Ishan, position fix Kalyan and Ishan, right? So definitely Gautam must not be here. So we can check, and 3% can be should be here. So first, second, third, whatever will be, we can see. Okay, so the number of persons sit between Kalyan and Raman are same in both the arrangement. Thereafter, Champak sits third to the right of Kalyan in a straight line. So Champak definitely must be here, right? Thereafter, the one who sits immediate left of Sujit in a straight line is sitting immediate right of Sujit in a circle. Immediate left of Sujit in a straight line, that is K for Kalyan, and immediate right of Sujit in a circle, that is correct. G will not be here, that means G must be here, right? Thereafter, the thing that we have left with, the number of people sit between Kalyan and Raman. Kalyan and Raman is same in both the arrangement. So friends, we can write it as Kalyan is here. So after three people, Raman can be here or Raman can be here, right? We are left with this arrangement, like Raman will be immediate left of Gautam. So we can write Gautam here, right? Okay. So the person that is left in the linear sitting arrangement, that is Arun. So obviously Arun must be here. So we can write A here, right? And if we check our first statement, that was one of the immediate number of Gautam in a straight line sits opposite to Gautam in a circle. That means one of the immediate neighbor H has been done, A is left, so A must be here. And now only one person that is remaining in a circle is Champak, so that means Champak must be here, right? So friends, in the all the arrangement, we are getting this arrangement and the position of R is not fixed, right? R can be before H and R can be after Champak. So friends, this is the arrangement. Question number 16, if you look at who among the following sits on the immediate right of hers in a circle? Arun. So answer will be second. Question number 17, like which of the following pairs sits at extreme end of the row? So this can be Harsh Gautam, no. Raman Champak can be. Kalyan Raman, no. Cannot be determined. The answer will be cannot be determined. Right? The one who sits second to the right of Ishan in a circle. So second to the right of Ishan in a circle, that is Raman, is at what position in a straight line with respect to Raman? The one who sits third to the right of Ishan in a circle, at what position with respect to Raman? Champak and Raman. So the third to the right, no. Fourth to the right, no. Immediate right can be. Third to the right, no. So it can be immediate right, but option is not there. So we and none of these be there. So we can mark immediate right in this question, right? Thereafter, question number 19, the person sitting between Harsh and Raman in the circle, Harsh and Raman in the circle, that is Champak, is sitting at what position in a straight line? Champak. So extremely left end at the straight line? No. Thereafter, fourth from the right end? No. Extreme right end of the line can be. Third from the left end? No. Answer will be extreme right end of the circle, sorry, straight line. Before, apart from this, we are not getting any answer. So he's taking like Raman is starting from here and Champak is starting from there, right? Thereafter, question number 20, who the one sitting at extreme left end of the straight line is sitting at what position in a circle? The one sitting at extreme left end of the straight line, that means Raman, is sitting at what position in a circle? Okay, Raman. So third to the left of Varun. Third to the left of Varun. No. Opposite to Kalyan. Opposite to Kalyan will be the right option, right? So friends, this was all about our combination arrangement, where the question was a little bit more complex, right? I have one more question for you to do. Like the question is 21 to 25, right? In this question also you have to make the arrangement, right? Blood ration is also included, and here the concept of floors are included, right? So friends, you try these two questions, and we will meet in the next class, right? If you have any doubt, you can ask me, right? Thank you.